Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English lesson series. Today, we are going to look at the phrase, "Did you have fun?" or "have fun?" in English conversations and the meanings of each usage. This phrase is commonly used in spoken English as a genuine inquiry, for a sarcastic or mocking tone, expressing disbelief or doubt, and for enthusiastic encouragement, so understanding its various usages is essential for effective communication. Let's dive right in. One, genuine inquiry. Sentence 1, Hey, I heard you went to the amusement park yesterday. Did you have fun? Scenario 1, a friend asking another friend about their experience at an amusement park to show genuine interest in their enjoyment. Sentence 2, you just came back from your vacation. Did you have fun? Scenario 2, a family member asking a loved one about their trip to genuinely inquire about their overall enjoyment. Two, sarcastic or mocking tone. Sentence 1, Oh, you had to work overtime on a Friday night? Did you have fun? Scenario 1, a colleague sarcastically asks another colleague about their experience of working late on a day typically associated with leisure and relaxation. Sentence 2, you spent all day cleaning the house instead of relaxing. Did you have fun? Scenario 2, a family member teasingly asks another family member about their day doing chores instead of engaging in enjoyable activities.
Sentence 3. Are you coming to the movie with us?
I wish. I have to stay home and finish my homework.
Have fun. Ha, ha.
A friend sarcastically teases a friend who can't go to the movie with them because they have to study. Three, expressing disbelief or doubt. Sentence 1, you went bungee jumping? Did you have fun? Scenario 1, someone expressing surprise and skepticism toward another person's adventurous activity, questioning whether they genuinely enjoyed it. Sentence 2, you ate a whole jar of pickles? Did you have fun? Scenario 2, expressing disbelief and questioning someone's enjoyment of an unusual or excessive food consumption choice. Four, enthusiastic encouragement. Sentence 1, you're going on your first roller coaster ride. Have fun. Scenario 1, offering enthusiastic encouragement to someone about to experience something thrilling or new. Sentence 2, you're starting your new job today. Have fun. Scenario 2, wishing someone well and encouraging them to enjoy their first day at a new job. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. Did you have fun? And have fun are used every day in conversation, both genuinely and sarcastically. Try using them today. Keep practicing and have a great day.